Why'd you do that? You shouldn't have done that. If I told you once, I told you 3 times, oh, that you'll get your punishment when you show me your crumbs, and it's not a spell or a curse you put on me. Oh, the way you make me smile so tenderly. How I wish it was your temper you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing. I thought the my sins would provoke you. Not a chance. I mean, whatever happened to fiery romance is my question. How I wish you was, how I wish you was those, how I wish you was those dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing, I swear. Why'd you do that? Why'd I do what? I haven't done anything. I'm just standing here. Everything's fine. You want to talk about something? You could sit down and talk about it if you want that. She said, why'd you have to go ahead and do nothing? My sins would provoke you. Don't give me that line. Don't try to tell me that an action's not a crime. Can't you see what kind of see? Can't you see what kind of seeds you're sowing? Damn you for being so easygoing.